Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abisola. If you're here for the first time, welcome. I'm gonna be doing this tutorial today. It's a very soft high makeup with some bottom lashes and above lips. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe. I will apologize for my voice. My voice has been gone for over a week now, and I'm not letting this to stop my video. So I'm so sorry if you can hear me properly. I'm starting first by glowing up my body with some random glow body oil that I mixed by myself. So, and the first primer I'm using on my face is the poreless face primer. And after this, I'll be applying my Revolution baking oil to hydrate and prep my skin for the foundation. And this acts as a base. Going in with the foundation, I'm using YSL foundation in the shade BD60. I know it looks a little bit lighter than my skin tone, but we're able to work it out. Some people may like it like that, but I don't like using a lighter foundation, but it's okay. We're still going to contour, so we're going to bring it down. So to contour, I'm using YSL foundation in B80. So this is a darker shade, and I'm gonna use it around the perimeters of my face to bring back the dimension. I'm using a Real Technique beauty blender, same one that I use for my foundation, to blend this out. You see how it blends flawlessly into the skin. So don't be scared with my contour line. I know it looks funny. I just tried to contour before I highlight. So I'm going to be using the highlighter and I'll be blending the two together. So don't be scared and thinking is how I'm going to leave the contour on my cheekbones. No. So I'm going in with the Revolution concealer in the shade C10. I'm applying this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my chin. I'll be using this to highlight and blend in the contour so that everything looks seamless and well blended in. Using the other side of the beauty blender. Yes, I love to make use of my beauty blender to save me time from washing. So I use one beauty blender per face. So I'll be using this to blend around the contour line as well. And since I use it for my foundation, it's easier for me to use it to blend everywhere that I want. It blends the foundation, the highlight, and also the contour. Everything blends so well and so easy using the same beauty blender because I still have some products going on. See how my skin is glowing through? I don't know if it was the baking oil or the foundation. Apparently this is my first time of using the baking oil on myself, and I kind of love the way it kind of turned out. I'm just using the same concealer to reverse contour, as they say. I don't really like going extra with it. But now I'll be going in with my Sacha Buttercup to set. I'm not baking now, I'm just setting everywhere under my eye to avoid any creasing. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup in the shade Light. And I also try to do my foundation before my brows. I hope I'll be able to get a good hang of the brow after. I'm used to doing my brows first and then my foundation routine after. So to set the rest of my face, I'll be going in with a MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC50. And for me to contour, I'll be using the shade in NW50. And I love the way it kind of add contrast to my skin. Once I'm happy with this, I'll just go in with a smaller brush to contour my nose. So time for the brows. I'm using this pencil. I just actually got it from AliExpress in the shade 02 or whatever. In the shade 02. So I'll be using this to fill in my brows. And I love the way it kind of gave me a natural effect. I still had like the hair stroke brows going on. I don't have too much Instagram brows, the darker brows. So I love the way it kind of gave me a very natural feel to my natural brows. And this is also my first time using this pencil as well. And once I'm happy with it, I just went in with a concealer just to clean under the brows. I didn't bother cleaning the top of the brow to save more time. I didn't do bad. So I went in with a little beauty blender and just blend the concealer all over my eyelids. So I'll be going in with this Colourpop eyeshadow. And today I created this eye look from one eyeshadow palette. Yes, one eyeshadow palette. This Colourpop eyeshadow. I'm not sure about the name again, but I'll check. So I just went in with the brown shade in the palette first and blend this around the outer corner. And going on with the second shade. It's self-explanatory if you watch the video. So I just went in with the second shade and just blend it right on top. And I'll be going with a lighter shade as well to blend everything out. So I used the same brush to apply the eyeshadow. So this is a very good look to a date, to dinner, to work. It's very light, it's very soft too. So going in with a shimmer shade in the palette, I'll be applying this with my finger just on my lid. I don't want something too dramatic. I want to keep it as simple as possible on the eye. I still love the way my skin is glowing though. So we're using the blue from this Juvia's Place eyeshadow, just add it to your dot. I don't know why I went in with a particular blue shade, but I love it anyway. It came out nice. So I blended it well with my fingertip with the bronze shade. So this eyeliner is one of my favorites ever since I stopped buying from Inglot. It's so black, you can see. It's Podaya, and I got it from AliExpress as well. So I'll be using this to create a liner, and I'll be smudging this under my eyes. So I did my lashes and my bottom lashes as well off camera. So I did my lashes and my bottom lashes off camera, sorry about that guys. And then in my waterline I just used a regular concealer from NYX just to brighten up my waterline. I don't want to go in with black, so I'll be using this Colourpop highlighter I just got over the Christmas period, and this is also my first time trying this on, and I was blown away. It melts into the skin. I know it's looking like that, but I'm still going to blend it out, and when it was blended it melts into the skin. It gave like a natural glow from the skin, as if my skin was just glowing, like I was born like that. Like the glow just went and just sat in so perfectly with my skin. I just loved it, and I had to add a bit of extra. So the only highlighter I used in this video, I decided not to go in with other highlighters so that I can see the proper effect. I think I used 2 shades from the highlighter palette, and this is the only highlighter I used, the Colourpop highlighter. I heard so much review about it, and I'm so happy I got it. So as a blush, I'll be using the pink shade from the Juvia's Place eyeshadow as well, just to give us a bit of color on the cheek. I love my blush. So finally, for the lips, from Colourpop as well. So I just put it all over my lips because I wanted something bold on the lips. I wasn't disappointed with the way it came out. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with my classic Mist and Fix, and this spray I can't explain. It was my first time of using it as well. I can't explain. It gave me this mirror effect, dewy look finish to my skin. Like I loved it. It didn't go matte, and I was so happy with that. I love the glow. Can you see my body, my skin, my face, my neck? Everything was just glowing, 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 glowing. So thank you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I'll be doing more videos now. I'll try and be more consistent. So please subscribe, please share it, please like, please comment, and tell a friend to tell a friend. I'm finally on YouTube, and I'll be doing majority of the look on my face now for you guys. Once in a while I will come up with a client's makeup. Thanks, bye.